mom mother me keima nu le keima mom is the best in this world mom is the best in this world kami om zia chu he khovela hian kanu athaber tina ani trong kan thiam ha sak ber hi anu ti hi ani ti la kan sai sual lawang nu te hi kan tan han poimo ema kan har sat ber la ya aming kan ko masak ber aming kan lam masak ber thin chu kanu ti hi ani thin mei chia te tan apoimo zual bik ti la kan sai sual lawang he video a po hian nu in fanu erong bol zirtir dan atangin English conversation in biakna kan zir hawin kan en hawle don ani ilo thlir hawang Mom, what's the best way how to prepare ourselves for future? Nu nakin hunzel atan engkonga in puacha hinge traber ti in afanu chuanan sota. That's a good question, sweetheart. First of all, you have to learn how to cook food for your family. Zona thatak ani boite ama sabera chuan ichung te tan erong bol izir pot angai ani antia. So you have to teach me, right? Chuan min zirtir thei tiro ti in fanu chuan hanzota. Don't worry, this is my responsibility. I'll teach you one by one. I teach you step by step. Body thei. Lao thong ma ta che ain dot te in ka hrilang che. Kha te chu ka mo phurna lom antia. So let's get some eggs and vegetables from the market. Chuan bazara Artui le thai velte vale yang o antia. Yes mom, I'm very excited and very interesting. Olenu kachak to in kavan phur em antia. Chuti chuan an du te lein bazar tang chuan an lo hoa. I'm very glad to hear that because it's very important for your future. Anu chuan ka thu hriat chuan min ti lom hle mai a chan chu nakin zela hitana poimo sia antia. Me too. So let's start cooking, mom. Keipo chuan nu erong bol tam tawila antia. Okay, you can get frying pan and ladle. Ole, thil kan na le fian lian han la ro le. Antia. Yes, I got it. What else? Oh, kalai. Enge adang le. Antia. Firstly, you have to know the basic things. So, I'll teach you how to fry eggs. Amhasabera chuan abulte atangin ihriat angaya chuan artui kandan izir photang antia. Anu chuan artui te chun song bola chukea. So nicely you have to stir the eggs with salt. Chuan chinen artui kha thatakin ichokanga. Anu chuan antia. And then get the cooking oil and pour it. Tel chuan tel lala akan na tura khan leiro le. Anu chuan antia. I've done mom. Kati sawe nu atia. Okay, wait for a few seconds. While all is getting hot, you have to put sliced onion first. Ole lo ngak lok la tel hi asat ve lia purun sen ithak masak phot angai. Okay, I see. How can I know when the oil is hot? ole ka hrie eng tin nge tel chu asa a hmui ti ka hriat theiang fanu chuan an sota well place the handle of a spoon in the oil. The oil is ready when bubbles begin to appear around the tips of the handles. A try ifian man kha oila khan ichianga alo satto chuan fian bula khan alo puar kual pep pep mayang antia and then pour it slowly, otherwise it will be splash. Chuan zoite in ilayanga ani lo chuan alo per mayang antia so you have to stir it and not to put more than 5 minutes, otherwise it will get burned. Chuan ichokanga minute nga aya rei ichuang ida tur ani lo chuan aut mayang anu chuan hantia. Thanks mom, I have learned how to fry eggs, so I can do it myself from now on. Kalo menu Artui kandan chu kathiam to tu na tang chuan keima in kati thei toang